Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Hati here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. Overall length is going to be 8.875 inches, 5-inch long handle, 3.85-inch long blade. This is an earlier version. It's running S30V steel with a beautiful full flat grind, stone wash blade. But this guy is running on washer, so that's the distinctive feature. Of this one, it's a classic Hati carbon fiber scale, frame lock, titanium. This is stone washed. The carbon fiber scale is just beautifully milled with these cool lines, guys. Of course, Shirogorov flipper tab. The action, you see, it drops shut, and then you just need a wiggle to have it close. So it's still extremely smooth. This guy is made in Russia. It's going to be around $600 if you can find it, because it's an older version, and weighs in at 4 ounces. So really lightweight, great pocket clip, 3D mill titanium. I mean, this is a pretty cool knife for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out the full length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.